So one thing I'd like to share with everybody, we're going to try and catch it all. But see the insulation on that wall? It goes right over to the corner. Yeah, finished all that, like yesterday? No, it was the day before yesterday. Yeah, so that officially marks the end of insulation here in the cabin. That was the last wall to do, and I just pushed right through to the end, even though you can't really see it, but that shower had to come out of there, which is a real pain in the ass. But I did it. I did it all in one day. Did this whole wall in one day, except for the first two things over there, which I did before when I was doing the kitchen here. So I can actually put part of my kitchen back together again. I'm playing around with this idea. Here, let me get a better angle for you. So I'm playing around with this idea where I had to move this stuff out of the way here, off of that wall, so I could do that wall. And as soon as I moved it here, I thought, I actually like this here. I like the kitchen configuration this way. So eventually I'm gonna have a wall here that's gonna wall off the bathroom, and the bathroom is gonna be enclosed. But I had the wall further, like closer to the shower. Here, let me point something out. So originally I was gonna have the kitchen wall, the wall between the kitchen and the bathroom on this side here. I don't know if you can see it. This one right here. And that was gonna give me a little space between the wall and the shower for a little cupboard system in the bathroom. This tall cupboard system. It'd be pretty deep, not very wide, like, well, about 14.5 inches wide, but 2.5 to 3 feet deep. So not the most convenient thing, but and anything with storage is good. But now I'm thinking, once I put the appliances like this, I think I can bring it back to here, the wall, instead of over here. So the wall would be on this stud here, right here. Which means, so the stove can come back a little bit, that drawer system can come back a little bit, the fridge would have to go this way a little bit. Not much, maybe a foot. But that's okay, I think these things would line up if they're shifted a little bit. And then I've got this space here for countertop, the microwave would still go here. Also, I want to put in a little chest freezer, because one of these days I'm actually going to bag a deer. And so, not a big one, but you know, and I don't know if that should go right beside the fridge, between the fridge and the stove, or over here and open this way. I don't mind if it's right close to here. I'm not sure yet. Or right here. Like right here where I'm standing. Should it go here? This is not a bad spot. And then I'd have like more countertop here. And then when that wall goes in, I can also have more cupboards up here. I could have really skinny cupboards up here. They'd be like this big. Or would that block off like to this area of the room? I don't know. Anyway, this is something that Alicia and I are going to figure out. And she's going to be here next weekend for a week. She's coming Thursday, actually. So that's my insulation update. That's funny because I took a break in the middle of our checking the trail cam video. I haven't finished that. I haven't even looked at the trail cam pic to do this update. It wasn't supposed to be an update, but it's just going to be part of the video. But what the heck? Here's your update. Oh yeah, one more thing I gotta do is these purple plywood walls will have to go up this wall as well. And eventually there'll be a splash guard. Everywhere you see purple, except below the countertop, will be splash guard. So everywhere above the countertop where you see purple. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this short video on my insulation update. My next steps will be to pine this wall. In fact, I'm only going to the I'm going to go to the edge of the shower, and that's it. I'm not going to bother with over there, because all that pine is in the way. But that's fine, because it's insulated over there, and I don't have to worry about it. But yeah, that's what's next. Pine. Anyway, take care, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.